Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to get money side hustle. First, begin by identifying your unique skills and passions. Think about what you enjoy doing and what you are good at. Next, research the market to see where your skills are in demand. This helps you find profitable niches. Finally, set clear, achievable financial goals for your side hustle. This will give you a roadmap and motivate you to reach your income targets, helping you stay focused and productive. Many lucrative side hustles exist in the digital realm. Consider freelance writing or graphic design, which offer incredible flexibility and can be done from anywhere. Online tutoring is another excellent option, with many tutors earning between $20 and $50 per hour, depending on their expertise. Furthermore, creating and selling digital products, such as ebooks or online courses, can generate passive income long after the initial effort, providing a steady stream of earnings. Beyond the digital world, numerous local and service-based side hustles can boost your income. Pet sitting or dog walking is a popular choice, often paying around $25 per visit. Delivery services for food or groceries provide flexible hours and allow you to earn money quickly. Additionally, offering handyman services, such as minor repairs or performing yard work like mowing lawns, can provide practical income and help you connect with your local community. To truly maximize your side hustle earnings, focus on growth and efficiency. Reinvesting a small portion of your profits back into your business, perhaps for marketing or new tools, can lead to significant expansion. Networking with current clients and other side hustlers can generate valuable referrals and new opportunities. Moreover, continuously learning new skills or refining existing ones will increase your market value, allowing you to command higher rates and attract more clients over time.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.